School. Myself Ankita Joshi and I am your SST teacher. Now we will start our lesson number 2, Journey from Primitive Man to Settled Life. Now in this lesson we will see about primitive men, how they settle their life. Children, first of all, take out your textbook also. Lesson number 2. So I will start reading from over here. Joybi and his family were going from Gandhinagar to Jamnagar in train. Sitting near the window, he saw trees, bullock carts, camel carts, rickshaws, bus, tractor, etc. He asked his uncle, why did this transportation start? His uncle put his hand on his back and said, trains started in our country approximately 150 years back. Among all the vehicles which you are seeing on the road, the bullock cart is oldest. Before it, thousands of years back, man didn't have any means of transportation. He used to go from one place to another place on foot. Now, in the train, Joybi and his family, they were going from Gandhinagar to Jamnagar by train, okay? And the boy, he's sitting near the window and he saw the trees, bullock carts, सब देखे उसने, camel car, rickshaw, सब देखे. And he just asked the question to his uncle कि transportation कब start हुआ? The train started in the country. Train कब start? The uncle ने उसे बताया कि 150 years back the train was started. Train कब start हुई थी? 150 years back पहले हमारी train start हुई थी. और उससे पहले हम लोग क्या यूज़ कर रहे थे? बुल्लक कार्ट, which is the main means of transport. पहले के जो थे लोग, वो लोग बुल्लक कार्ट यूज़ करते before thousands of years back the man used, they didn't have any means of transport. हमारे पास कोई भी transportation नहीं था, तो we use bullock cart. Now primitive man, nomadic life, second paragraph, sorry. Primitive means what? Very very old. कुछ बहुत पुराना होता है, something very very old, उसे कहेंगे हम लोग primitive. Okay? And nomadic means what? When a person does not have a proper house, जिसके पास proper house नहीं है, for food and shelter, they move from one place to another place. वो एक place से दूसरी place जो move करते हैं, we call that nomadic life. Okay? Now we will start the lesson of second paragraph. Primitive man means people of very old time, approximately 20 lakh years ago. 20 lakh years ago पहले की बात है. He led a nomadic life and spent his time by hunting. They used to go hunting. Primitive man first they used to go hunting. This stage of human is called hunters and gatherers. And this is called hunters and gatherers. He used to gather his food by hunting animals like deer, fishes and birds. Other than this, they collected roots and fruits for their food. Now, in this I will say primitive man, they were approximately 20 lakh years ago पहले primitive man थे, and they lived a nomadic life. They moved from one place to another for food and to settle their life. वो hunter gatherer means क्या होता है कि जो primitive man they go for hunting करने के लिए वो जब जाते थे तो वो जो food meat था उनका वो सब साथ में collect कर थे, and जब तक वो meat खत्म नहीं होता था they stay there only. They stay at particular place. वो एक ही place पे रह के जब सारा meat food खत्म होता था उसके बाद they moved to next place in searching for food. And this you can call hunter and gatherers. He used to gather his food by hunting animals. वो कौन से animals को hunt कर रहे थे? Like deer, fishes and birds. Other than this, they collected roots and fruits for their food. And they also collect roots and fruits for their food. They did not have any knowledge of agriculture or farming or having settled life also. They did not used to wear clothes. Primitive man, they did not used to wear clothes. They used to wear clothes of animal skin and plant leaves around their body. They used to wear animal skins and plant leaves around their body. वो लोग animal skin पहनते थे and plant leaves. Okay? So it was not that easy. Sometimes wild animal attacked them. कभी-कभी क्या होता था, wild animals उनको attack करते थे, तो it was not easy for them to hunt the animals. Moreover, some of the animals were fast in running, so it was not easy for primitive man to catch them. Thus, the primitive man used to wander from one place to another in search of food. Thus, he learned which fruits and roots to eat and which not to eat, as many of them were poisonous. Slowly, what happened? The animals, the primitive man, they start hunting, okay? But they did not hunt the wild animals. वो लोग wild animals को hunt नहीं कर पा रहे थे क्योंकि the wild animals attacked on them. So for that they used animals like deer, fishes and birds. And moreover some animals, they were fast in running. So it was very difficult for them to catch these animals. First primitive man used to wander from one place to another. So primitive man क्या करते थे? वो एक place से दूसरी place move करते थे in searching of food. And thus he learned, and also yes, the primitive man also learned which fruit should they eat. वो कौन सा फ्रूट खाना चाहिए, कौन से रूट्स खाने चाहिए, वो उनको समझ में आ गया था. एंड दे ऑल्सो नो विच फ्रूट और पॉइजन्स, कौन से पॉइजन, कौन से जहरीले फ्रूट्स होते हैं, रूट्स कौन से जहरीले होते हैं, वो नहीं खाने चाहिए. दे ऑल्सो गेट दिस learn. They also learn this. Animals like deer, sheep, goat were easy to hunt. So primitive man used to wander from one place to another in search of them. Moreover, water being essential for life, they used to settle near the sources of water. Animals कौन से deer and sheep, goat, they were easy to hunt because they do not attack on them. So they can easily hunt this animal. And primitive man used to wander from one place to another. I have already said primitive man, they used to wander in search of food from one place to another. And the water, yes, we know that water is very important source of our life. Without water we cannot live. So water being essential for life, they used to settle near the source of water. उन्होंने क्या किया, धीरे धीरे वो लोग रिवर बैंक के पास में सेटल होना स्टार्ट कर दिया ताकि उन्हें एकदम इजी रहे. दे नो हाउ, दे फील वेरी इजी. Now I will start places of human habitation of primitive man in India. So now in this, the archaeologists, anthropologists and historians have together found out many places of habitations of primitive man. Archaeologist means the study of human activities. जो हम human activity के बारे में study करते हैं, मटेरियल के बारे में, उनको बोलेंगे आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट. ओके. एंड एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट मीन्स द साइंटिफिकल स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन कस्टम्स के बारे में पढ़ाई करेंगे हम लोग. विच स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन कस्टम्स एंड द रिलेशंस वी कॉल द एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट. एंड हिस्टोरियंस मीन्स वी स्टडी अबाउट हिस्ट्री. हैव टुगेदर फाउंड आउट मेनी प्लेसेस ऑफ हैबिटेशंस ऑफ प्रिमिटिव मैन. अलॉन्ग विथ इट दे हैव ऑल्सो फाउंड आउट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इम्प्लीमेंट्स यूज्ड बाय देम. They found implements. उन्होंने कौन से implements लिए थे, कौन से implements use किए थे. They used implements and weapons made of stones and wood. The primitive man used implements and weapons. They were made of stones and wood. Sometimes they even used implements made up of bones. They also used the bone of animal also. Since the lives of hunter and gatherers and wanderers are associated with stone technology, this term is called Paleolithic. So Paleolithic means old stone. सबसे पहले सबसे पुराने होते हैं stone, उनको बोले Paleolithic. Paleo means first. Paleo means old, सबसे पुराने. Okay, and lithic means stone. So Paleolithic stone, old stone. Okay, and you see the picture of 2.1. The weapons are given over here. That is made of stone and wood and bone also. The stone shown in figure 2.1 used to cut vegetations and to scrape the skin of animals. Primitive man used peel of the tree and skin of animals to cover his body. So with the help of stone, they cut vegetations and the skin of animal also. Okay, they scrape the skin of animals and they used to also peel the tree and skin of animals to cover their body. I've already told that they used the animal skins and the leaves to cover their body, around their body to cover it. Now we will go through the map of Stone Age human habitation in India. Okay. The map I will explain you later. Okay. In the next part, look carefully at the place marked in the map. you will find that at many places of India, the primitive man might have lived. Few places are shown in map, but there are evidence of their habitat in many places in India. They prefer to stay in the good and large places where stones, wood and water were found. Now they understood that they have to live in the place where water should be available, easily available, wood also easily available and stone also. So they live in the natural caves. They live in the natural caves where they can protect themselves from rain and wild animals. Several such places have been found in Vindhya mountain in central India. Such type of places have also been found in the region around Narmada river. This region they are found in the Narmada river. And Bhimbetka, this cave which is found in the Madhya Pradesh, has been found, which was an excellent place of human habitation. In its caves, near about 500 images of birds, deer, wooden, spear, trees, human, etc., drawn by primitive man have been found, which are drawn with the help of natural color. Now, in the Bhimbetka cave that found in the Madhya Pradesh में है वो cave, और वहाँ पे human habitations, it was excellent place of human habitation. In this cave, you will see about 500 images of birds, deer and wooden, spear trees, humans, etc. that was drawn by the primitive man जो draw किए वहाँ पे, and which are drawn with help of nature. They are drawn with help of the natural color. Okay, now in this chapter I've just explained you the primitive man and nomadic life, place of the human habitation of primitive man in India, and the map of Stone Age human habitation in India. You just read the lesson, and till then, bye bye. Thank you.